Whether you are new to Salesforce or Salesforce expert, you have probably heard about Salesforce certifications and super badges. They are both ways to level up your skills, but figuring out which one is right for you or can help you in your career can be confusing, right? No worries, we have got your back. Today we will break down the difference between these two and show you which one can help you crush it in your Salesforce career. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start by understanding about Salesforce certifications, what they are and why they are so important. In simple terms, Salesforce certifications are exams you pass to prove you are an expert in different areas of Salesforce platform. It's like a driving license that shows you know how to use Salesforce. Salesforce offers more than 40 plus certification grounded into three categories: role-based, product-based, and industry-specific certifications. Role-based certification prepare you for different jobs in Salesforce world, like administrator, different levels of developer, or business analyst, etc. If you are interested in specific tools, consider product-based certifications like Salesforce CPQ Specialist. Lastly, industry-specific certifications focus on particular sectors. These certifications allow you to specialize in roles, tools, and industries within the Salesforce. But do these certifications hold real value, or they just fancy piece of paper? Well, let me tell you. Certifications are a great way to show employers you are a Salesforce expert. They make your resume stand out and proves you have got the skills required for the job and keep you updated on the latest features. In order to get certified, you got to study up. But don't worry, there are a lot of free resources out there like Trailhead. These resources will help you for the exam, and then you have to pass an exam that might have multiple questions and even some real world challenges. Now let's talk and understand about super badges, what they are. So do you ever feel like learning a classroom is great, but sometimes you just want to jump in and do something yourself? That's where Salesforce super badges come in. Unlike certifications which are like tests, super badges are more like mini projects you do with Salesforce. It's like being given a real world task like setting up a customer survey or building a report, and you get to figure it out yourself using the skills you learned on Trailhead, which is free Salesforce learning platform. So guess what? Completing a super badge is like adding a mini trophy to your profile, showing potential employers that you can take what you have learned and use it in real world. But wait, guess what? Completing a super badge is like adding a mini trophy to your profile, showing potential employers that you can take what you have learned and use it in real world. But wait, there's more. If you are feeling ambitious, there are also super badges superset. These are like collections of super badges that focus on specific areas of Salesforce like development or managing customer data. Completing a superset shows that you are not just good at one thing, but you have a wide range of skills in a particular area. So these are a fun and practical way to learn Salesforce. And also, did I tell you they are completely free and available anytime, and the perfect way to show off your skill, get ready for real Salesforce job. So if you ask me the difference between the two, the main difference is that certifications are paid and super badges are completely free. Certifications more like traditional exam where you have to memorize features and answer questions to show your understanding of the theory behind the Salesforce. On the other hand, super badges are similar to practical tests in driving school. They throw you into a stimulated environment, challenging you to solve problems and build things within Salesforce. Certifications make your profile look official, while super badges show that you can do the actual hands-on work. Both are valuable. Certifications are great for proving a broad understanding, while super badges show to employers that you are ready to tackle specific tasks and apply your skills on the job. Now I know what you all must be thinking. Which one holds higher value? So let me tell you. Honestly, employers generally value certifications a bit more, as certifications like gold stars on your resume, which show employers you have got the knowledge they need, and employers usually see certifications as a stronger sign of your overall knowledge and commitment to learning. So while both are valuable, certifications generally hold more weight in the hiring world. I hope we have covered everything you need to know about Salesforce certifications and super badges. If you still have any doubt, feel free to comment down in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more insightful videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.